Tarlac and Mutiara. Gates open, they're up and racing. Mutiara draws for your lead. Harrod's Magic running on the outside. Tarlac by the rail is Chuchinelli, Chismis, and Winning Habit. As they race towards the half-mile pole, Mutiara running on the outside and throwing a challenge is Tarlac. Harrod's Magic shuffle back in third, then racing in fourth, Chuchinelli. Winning Habit, and trailing the group is Chismis. Rounding at the last 600, Tarlac, this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Mutiara, down in third, Harrod's Magic. Chuchinelli, Winning Habit by the rail, and Chismis is still in behind them. And down the stretch they come. Tarlac, this time by about 7 to 8 lengths now. Running in second by the rail is Winning Habit. With 150 to go, Tarlac, followed now by Winning Habit, Harrod's Magic. With 75 meters, it's all Tarlac for race number 6. Second, Winning Habit. Then comes Harrod's Magic, Chuchinelli.
5-1-4-2 ang unofficial ng datingan.
5-1-4-2.